What's up, Shay Gang? And I'm back with a cooking vlog, and today I'm making spaghetti. Don't mind the thing, I'm doing my hair right now. I'm like in the middle of it, but I'm making spaghetti, and oh my god. But yeah, I'm making spaghetti right now. So first, alright, thought I was recording the whole time. Alright, so first you're gonna start off with the noodles. You're gonna let it boil, you feel me? See, it's already starting to like break down a little bit, like make it soft. But add salt to it and some oil. So yeah, we ready. I'm gonna let you know when I'm ready to do the meat part. Once I do the meat part, I'm gonna hit y'all back on game. Alright, so this is like what it look like right now. So I probably ready to start on the meat. So I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm not really sure what y'all look like, so give me like 5 seconds to come back. But I'm ready to start up on the meat. That's what that look like. And this is like most of the stuff I use. I use this. All black people put sugar in their spaghetti. And I put this in there too. Spice it up. Be back on game. Alright, so this is sausage. This is the meat that you're gonna use. They're not done. I'm sorry. I keep talking like I'm that low. So I'm gonna hit y'all back when the pan heats up. When the pan heats up, that's when I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how to cook the meat. Okay. Alright, so I'm back. Hide that trash. So this is the meat. This is the meat we use. Yeah. Just up. This is hot. And no, like my mom always told me, you do not put oil in ground beef. Ground beef makes it more. So you just touch it. Don't be scared. Yes, you might get burned. Like, for beginners, you do not do this. So yeah, make that. Oh! Pick it up. I'm ready to pick it up. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let this sit real quick.
Nigga, what is you doing? Get over here. Out, bro. Oh.
And this is what the meat looked like while I was cooking. This is the noodles. The noodles, I feel like it's done. Okay. I'm ready to done. I'm ready to check them. Let y'all know. I'm ready to set y'all up right here. I'm ready to let y'all know how y'all know they done or not. So the noodles is these are done. Don't do this. If you're a beginner, you're not going to do this. So how you know when you're going to that's how you know the noodle. Well, that's how you know it's done. You taste it, you let me know. I'll be back. 1 minute. Alright, so Now, I'm gonna get like a plate or something, or a strainer, don't matter, but we use a plate. We'll move this. Pick it up. If you're younger, you let your older sibling or your parents do this. Somebody that's adult. I'm gonna dump it out. Make sure none of the noodles fall out. Others would kill me if the noodles fall out. These are the noodles. Check it, make sure there's some water in there if you don't dump all the water out. Because some people, if you dump the water out, that's what your noodle's supposed to look like. Hold on. Show you what it look like. A little bit of water. Move this back. Alright, back over here to meat. So now, you over here, and that's what they're not telling y'all. Hold on, meat. Y'all. Oh, right here. That's what they're not telling y'all, right? See? It already started to go or started to cook. And now you just flipping it. Make sure you get all the pinks out. That. You know what I forgot to do? Season. So, I'll do that. I'll let it stir up. Put this. Put this. Make sure all the pink is touching the bottom. I'm trying to fall some of the salt. See? Yes, this is salt. We just put it in a thing. We don't want a bunch of seasoning. Basically a bunch of salt like falling. You know, McCormick all the time, every day, all day. No, I'm not sponsored. I'm just saying that's what we use. Yes, if the meat tends to make a lot of juice or oil, it is okay to dump a little bit out. That's what we do because it's starting to do that. That's what's gonna make it cook slow. Just like that, not too much, not too little. I'm gonna move it over here because I don't know what I. Do that. And then I'm gonna hit y'all back when the meat is done. And I'm putting it together. Again, be right back. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to put that on there. The bottom. This is sauce we use. Sometimes people meat, but they only have this. What's the traditional sauce with olive oil. Southern. You don't want to put. You don't want to put in some Belgian meat. I mean, not 1,008, 1,000, yeah. Make sure you don't get no oil inside the spaghetti. You going to the bathroom all night. I told you y'all they'd kill me if I was out of something. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I don't think it's really like oil in here, so I'm really stop resonating. Put that shit on. Put that shit on. And then, so now I'm ready to get down to the nitty gritty of the situation. So, ready. You get all that green stuff up in there. But yeah, like I was saying. Nah, I ain't saying like I was saying, but yeah, I'm starting to go. So. Make sure you get all that. For sure. Okay. Sorry again. Crack this door open. I ain't trying to beat this phone. And I know it ain't enough sauce in there. Let me make sure. Okay. But you see salt. Trying to get this. Ready? Break this down. I'm trying to go. Break this down. I'm trying to fix this. Oh yeah. Keep on. I don't think that was y'all. We don't waste food around here. So yes, y'all bills should be put in back. Plus, we keep our house clean, so I ain't really think nothing with y'all. You throw that in the trash? No, bro. I ain't thinking nothing with y'all, because y'all ain't thinking nothing with me. So, yeah. So, y'all, this thing really acting like this can't. I'm starting to hurt. It's saucy. Now, because they're not that hungry, I can just throw this in the refrigerator. Might make me a bowl. But, if you want more videos, if you want more videos like this, Oh, let me show y'all what the fries. That's what that looks like. It's like the second time today I done dropped y'all. But if y'all want more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos. Okay.
Bitch, next level, bitch.